Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop's web camera. So to do this, open the Start menu. Open the Start menu, go to All Applications, select Camera right here. Let it access your microphone and your camera too. Now, you don't have to do this. Now, on the list on the right, select this option right here, barcode, and then use your QR code and face it to your laptop's camera, and you will, once the QR code is scanned, now for it to be scanned, you make sure that your camera is, that you can clearly see it with your camera. Let me wipe it again. I think that the light is too much. Let me make it less bright. Okay, and once the laptop sees the QR code, you will see the link or the text that it shows. And by clicking on the link, you'll be able to see the website or other resource where it leads you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.